Have you heard about the mysterious Stonehenge-like structures found beneath Lake Michigan in 2007? Archaeologists found them on a routine dive and have estimated them to be over 9,000 years old. Using floor mapping, they were able to get sonar pictures of the ancient site, though little studying has been done in recent years. Even woolly mammoth hand paintings were found, making these some of the oldest known drawings by early man in the US.
In 2007, at Lake Michigan, underwater archaeologist Professor Mark Hawley and his team of divers were exploring the lake bottom.
We were out looking for a specific shipwreck. It's just flat sand for as far as you can go.
But they discover something much older.
I knew that we'd found something that shouldn't be there, but we had no idea what it was.
One set of stones forms a circle, and one of the stones has a carving of a mastodon.
Nothing like this had ever been found in the Great Lakes before.
If this is in fact a mastodon drawn on this rock, then it is a monumental discovery because this would be the earliest Paleo-Indian art that's been discovered so far.
Carbon dating stone man-made objects can be very difficult as the stone is likely already millions of years before it was even touched, and since there's no bones or tools at the site, it's difficult to get a definite date for when it was built. But two things stand out when it comes to dating, and that its location and the mastodon drawing. The Ice Age ended just after 10,000 BC, and during this time sea levels were much lower than today. It would have to be at least 9,000 years old in order for them to have built it on dry land in the first place, and unless someone finds some Native American scuba artifacts, it seems that it wasn't constructed when the area was underwater.
We're all scratching our heads wondering, what could these things be?
500 feet deep, 600 feet wide. These are sinkholes at the bottom of Lake Michigan.
This is a whole new avenue of research. I mean, there's now a geological question in mind. How did they form? Why are they there specifically in the bedrock?
Wisconsin Maritime Museum Director Kevin Collin says theories range from the sinkholes being formed by glaciers to the depressions resulting from ages of intense pressure. Discovered by citizen scientists Brendan Baylott and Dusty Cliffman of Wisconsin, the sinkholes are located within the National Marine Sanctuary along Wisconsin's lakeshore.
This is really what it's set up for, is to spark curiosity, to bring in scientists and technology to document this incredible resource, which is the Great Lakes and our section of the Great Lakes.
Collins says that only 15 to 20% of Lake Michigan's floor has been discovered, and that these findings will only increase that number.
That's the beauty of storytelling. It's the beauty of scientific inquiry, is that, you know, there's always new stones to be uncovered, unturned.